Hey, what's up everybody? So yesterday my wife and I were having a discussion about what we should use to have our kids charge, their laptops and cell phones, and we thought about, well, maybe we can refinish one of these IKEA totes that we already did something similar to this for their nightstand. This is how the IKEA bin had turned out when I finished it before. So this is what it would look like. It looks really nice, but just the legs alone cost the same amount that the 2-3 tier shelves would have been. So just wanted to show you all how it looked. But it requires staining it and adding some legs to it and such. So I did a quick search on Amazon and found this Furinno 3-tier end table. It has plastic legs and I think it's wood or laminate as the tiers. So let's put it together. We ended up getting the 2-pack of the color is wooden color. I'll show you once I open it out. So, yep, it's the wooden color. They have black and this natural wood look. So we picked the this natural wood look to complement their already black furniture. So here's more plastic pieces to put it together. Longer ones. More pieces. The much longer plastic legs. Some more styrofoam. And the bottom layer. All right. And look at that. It's labeled. That's a good thing. Can't forget the instructions. All right, put the box aside and let's build this. Oh, it looks like it'll take 20 minutes to build. So let's see how accurate it is. All right, well, I can see it probably will be because it's fairly simple. All right. Interesting. So, as you can see, it is just plastic with threads, and you just put it together like this. It is entirely plastic. Even the covers are plastic. I'll show you when I open the bag. See? Plastic. are the same caps. Makes sense since it is a pack of 2. It was either $18 for one or $30 on sale for a 2-pack. So we definitely went with the 2-pack. And we kind of forced one of the kids to go with the natural wood color one because of it being in a 2-pack. So they were okay with it. So much plastic. All right. And the real long ones. I should have cleaned my workbench a little bit better. So we'll set some of these things over here. Have visual instructions. All right. Perfect. Looks like they want us to start with section A and putting in these as the feet. Doesn't matter which. No, looks like it's the same finish both sides, so I'll just go with one and use that. These aside here, put that there, put this here. Okay. So we'll put the long leg in here, all 4 corners. Okay, now we go with the second tier, which, oh, they're all labeled as A. As you can see, they're all A. And then we want to put these. Must say it's pretty decent quality either, if you don't mind the plastic frame. I think it's actually kind of cool, and for a kid's bedroom, this is definitely perfect, because if it gets banged up or damaged, the plastic is not going to bend or nick or anything. So I think it works out nicely. And the wood, you know, it's kind of like laminate. Again, definitely nice kind of bright plywood, laminate plywood. So now we get to put the top tier on. Supposedly labeled A, but this one is not labeled A at all, so. And then, yep, now we put the caps on. I'll show you what they look like. I'll put the camera up here so you can actually see what I'm doing. go. Finished putting all the caps on. And that's it, we're finished. So I'm pretty sure it took me longer to set up the camera and microphone than it did to build this 3-tiered shelf. Here is the finished product. That is a very bad lighting. Let's see if that's better. There we go, not too bad. Pretty cool. So I won't bore you with putting together the second one. So I'll put it together and set it up in their bedroom and start using it as their charging station for their laptop and cell phone and tablet. I'll put a link in the description below for the 3-tiered shelf we picked up from Amazon. Thanks for watching. See you all later.